were working on a couple of different projects side by side, and eventually, going through a lot of things. And, for me, somebody who does not like using a lot of products daily on myself, I want my routines to be simple. So I thought कि कौन से ऐसे products हैं जो make the most difference in your makeup routine, like कोई ऐसी चीज़ ज़्यादा आप लगाओ और उससे आपकी पूरी look change हो जाती है. So that's how I shortlisted like lip colors. I know market में बहुत ज़्यादा थे lip colors, but for me मैं हमेशा मिक्स करती थी डिफरेंट लिप कलर्स को और हमेशा इंटरनेशनल वाले यूज़ करी थी. तो आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ लिपस्टिक दैट हैज़ स्किन केयर इन्फ्यूज्ड इन इट एंड समथिंग दैट आई एम पुटिंग ऑन माय फेस और या लिप्स, और उससे ये नहीं हो रहा कि मुझे बाद में लग रहा है कि मेरे लिप्स की डिसकलरेशन हो रही है या ज़्यादा कुछ डैमेज हो रहे हैं. मेकअप में लगा रही हूँ तो बहुत एक ये इंप्रेशन है ना कि आप मेकअप करो तो आपकी स्किन ख़राब होती है, आपके लिप्स ख़राब होते हैं आपके. तो फॉर मी दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जो मैं मेकअप बना रही हूँ ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उसको लगा के आपकी स्किन बेहतर फील होनी चाहिए. लाइक आप उसको उतार भी रहे हो तो आपकी जो है वो स्किन को साथ साथ वो इट्स ऑल्सो हीलिंग योर स्किन, लाइक उसमें स्किन केयर है. सो दैट एलिमेंट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट वॉज समथिंग दैट आई वॉन्टेड टू वर्क ऑन. एंड अगेन शेड्स, आई वॉन्टेड लाइक शेड्स दैट आर यूजेबल, जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अपने क्लाइंट्स पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ. दो सिलेक्शन भी उसी तरह की कि जो शेड्स दैट आई एम ग्रेविटेटिंग टूवर्ड्स एंड आई एम मिक्सिंग शेड्स. So मैंने शेड्स उस तरह के बनाए जो I could, I'm mixing 4-5 different shades to create one shade that I packaged into one color, and that was something that all my clients would love. I used to use them on different clients, हर किस्म की skin tones, हर किस्म की lip shapes, lip shades होते हैं आपके उसके accordingly. So I think that was very helpful for me, that my clients were very important to me उस point पे to help me formulate the product and testing all the different shades and formulations.
I think one thing that I want to add to what you were saying, like as makeup artists we used to struggle with the right red. There was not a single red that we could use, and then we'll go with every skin tone, specifically our skin tone, and we had to mix a couple of like 4-5 shades to create it. So I think for me, when we realized that how important a red lipstick it is, not just about brides, primarily yes, but then every day people are looking for a red which is not carroty, which is not fuchsia, which is not maroonish, which is not rusty. It's just the perfect red. I mean, I'm not just saying this because it's our product. We're also saying it because that's the feedback that we got from people about our red. It is something that, and that's why we started off as a product. The red had been the most difficult one to formulate, and we were very particular. Even the formulators and the labs are like, क्या हो गया? आप इतना भी रेड थे ऊपर आपका, बट वो उसके लिए क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा, I mean, you learn with your experiences, you go through phases of difficulty of finding the right red, that it has to be the perfect one, at least for ourselves and the people we have been working with or who know our journey and who has been part of our team.
And also we've been like all of us, हम लोग बिल्कुल ground level से we're part of the process, like from the raw materials to everything that's going on. So from बिल्कुल ground level से to manufacturing and the process, so पूरा the process of making a product was new also, and we were also educating ourselves, researching, और हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा like formulations पे. It's something that Madhiya has a biotechnology ka background, so that was very helpful with that. So for our manufacturers also, it was a fresh breath of fresh air कि somebody is very invested in the product, ingredients, and they were happy about it, even though some of them did get annoyed and they were like, क्यों आप इतना ज़्यादा घुस रहे हैं, but that's how we are. And I always stick to the start. I need to know what I'm giving to the people and what I'm putting on my face. So yeah, so it was a had a great time learning and, you know, being part of the process from the scratch and building something. Even though लोगों के लिए सिर्फ एक lipstick होगी, but I know that it's not easy to launch a product and, you know, formulate it from scratch. Not just कि मुझे उन्होंने ला के दे दिया और मैंने उसको branding करके बेच दिया. It's something that had a lot of back and forth.
And we had to work on how not just the colors, that बहुत सारे colors ऐसे होते हैं जो हमारी face के ऊपर fluorescent लगते हैं, या बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं जो हमारे skin tone को dull करते हैं. So there are 6 shades that we launched was something that perfectly blend with our skin tone, and also multiple other like skin tones, like हर कंट्री की skin tone के ऊपर हमने लगवा के पहले सबको टेस्ट किए था ये. और उसके साथ साथ आपने ये देखना होता है कि प्रोडक्ट जो है, जो आप हमारी लिपस्टिक है, व्हाट डज इट फील इन द एप्लीकेशन. सो वी वांटेड समथिंग, क्योंकि मोस्टली मैट लिपस्टिक के साथ लोगों का ये कॉन्सेप्ट है, और वो सही भी है कि बहुत ड्राई हो जाती है और मतलब क्रैक्स के अंदर आ जाती है, और उनका यूजुअली पीपल यू नो रिस्ट्रेन फ्रॉम इट, उनको दे आर स्केर्ड टू अप्लाई मैट लिपस्टिक. एंड इन आवर वेदर, in our summer, you know, conditions that we go through, humidity that we go through, formulation should not separate in the bottle, which I felt like a lot of formulation that I saw in the local market, even international market, जब बहुत ज़्यादा आप गर्मी में उनको रखोगे तो वो हो जाते हैं separate content, because obviously वो shea based और oily based होता है. तो इसके साथ साथ the formulation has to be a perfect blend. So that is something that we tried to achieve, and I'm glad that we did.
Yeah, and also it's not just like a trending product, like ऐसा नहीं है कि इसका trend आएगा और जाएगा. It's something like a base. Matte is something that is going to stay. आप उसको किस तरह, it's a multi-purpose, आपको उसको build up कर लो, light coverage कर लो उसकी, आप उसको as a blush use कर लो, but it's going to stay. It's not going to be a trend कि this is a trending product जो in है आजकल, और फिर after a few years it's not going to be like something that people don't use. It's a staple. These colors are something that if you're somebody who's going to buy lipsticks, I know these 6 shades are something that would complete your kit, and they are going to be universal shades जो majority of लोगों को suit करेंगे. And again with the quality and the ingredients and what I could not find in other products, और जो मुझे separate चीज़ों में मिल रहा था वो मैंने एक में incorporate करके, और that's how I made sure that it's different from other lipsticks. So apart from the formulations, वो तो चल रहा था साथ साथ, but again pressure बहुत ज़्यादा था branding और packaging पे, because क्या bottling होनी चाहिए, क्या colors होने चाहिए, branding क्या होनी चाहिए, किस तरीके से हमारी packaging होनी चाहिए, was very important, because you know first impressions I believe are the most important thing, and packaging for me, how beautiful a thing looks is important to me also, और पकड़ने में कितना अच्छा है. So that's where Farooq came in, and he had a lot of ideas that we had to cancel out on also, because you know budgets, formulation पे सारे budgets लग चुके हुए थे, तो packaging पे Farooq came in, and Farooq, can you guide us with your design and you know branding?
I mean, you guys were in most of the process of branding and design, but if I was to I'm not going to go into a lot of technicalities, but if I was to break down a few things that we had to look at, was that the branding has to be clean, it has to be very presentable, it has to look like good product by the first look, and there's a lot of branding and brands and lipsticks out in the market. So we needed to make sure that when we put our lipstick on a shelf, it needs to communicate exactly what we're trying to sell. We're trying to sell quality, and we're not trying to sell labos that are going to come in as a trend in colorful and pop and then just die out. We wanted something that would last, will look high quality, and would also represent the high quality product that goes into it. We had a lot of options. Of course, there's so many things that you can do with packaging, and you always have to, it's our first product, so we also didn't want to experiment a lot with the crazy stuff. We make sure that everybody can handle the packaging that we design. When you're working with people from the packaging companies, you need to make sure what you're designing is what you're going to get. If you go too overboard with a lot of things, then you kind of end up getting a surprise every time. Yeah, with the packaging process, it was a long process, because I've done packaging designs before, mostly for other companies, other people. This was the first packaging design that we were doing for ourselves, so there was a whole different kind of pressure. Usually it's less emotional, more logical designs, what works and what doesn't. This was more emotional as well because it was our own product and had no margin for anything messing up. We didn't have funds to do it again.
Yeah, the
But
budgets were like a very major.
yeah, the toughest bit was that we were working with people across the globe. And with packaging, it's really about having the packaging in front of you, feeling the texture, feeling how the surface feels,
Print.
how the print is, how something interacts with your skin is very important from the cap to the bottle to the box, right? The toughest bit was that we couldn't do it in that manner. We had to test a lot of things locally and then have long waiting times for sending design, getting the packaging back. That's one of the drawbacks of doing packaging internationally. But because we wanted to do it high quality, we wanted to do it internationally.
I was also like feasible उसी तरह था कि product packaged आए and you know back and forths and you know
Yeah.
the costing वो सारी देखते हुए कि आपने जो texture रखा हुआ है वो क्या है हमें काफ़ी चीज़ें अपनी थोड़ी सी
Yeah.
खींचनी भी पड़ी.
It was very asynchronous because we had to check what we could get and what's the quality of the packaging that we would get back. Because in packaging, there's a lot of times there is a word for a specific thing in design. Maybe if you want a specific surface, but everyone who packages that surface does it slightly differently with a different rate. So yeah, that was very tough for us to manage.
Farooq was used to cut and make and you know and there were so many good options like I did not know कि packaging में इतनी ज़्यादा options होती हैं and I remember that जो client हमारे आ रहे थे उस वक्त salon में like मेरी फ्रेंड्स हर किसी को मैसेजेस जा रहे हैं मैं जा जाके क्लाइंट्स को दिखा रही हूँ आपको कॉल
User testing is very
बहुत
important.
ज़्यादा मैं जा जाके किसी को दिखा रही हूँ और उसमें से भी इतने मिक्स्ड जब आपको आते हैं तो इवेंचुअली यू नो फिर हमने फाइनली भी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड दिस पर्टिकुलर
Yeah.
पैकेजिंग एंड
I also like how Farooq added because it was matte, velvet matte lipstick. So he made the bottle also matte finish, and something a lot of lipsticks out there usually I haven't seen in the local market, and I think it just added really nice batch to it.
We want to make sure that the product you look at gives you the first impression you get is that this is a high quality international product because we also want to sell it internationally. So we want it to be a match when it's out there on the shelf, not just a product in some random packaging.
And again, a product that I think people should be proud of using.
I wonder if you guys can put in a cut of that, the amount of packaging samples that we have, and just like pour them on a table and show everybody the thousands of pieces.
We will add them.
Yeah.
हाँ.
I have some lying at home as well.
We still have them. हमारे like next launches के लिए हमारे पास already packaging.
We still do that for every packaging.
So ये भी था कि you know we are a small team. We are a team of four people. Our fourth partner he is not very social media friendly and he's not here. So you know all our ideas or our you know big ideas he used to give us a reality check के please budgets जो हैं वो constraints और हमारे finance से वो CFO साथ जो हैं वो हमें देते थे reality check कि okay you have this idea of packaging, you have this idea of the product और ये वो, but then you also have to see कि ये possible किस तरह है और you know getting the product here and you know doing all that communication, the finance work, the everything other than you know the creative he was handling and he made sure that this product is you know एक physically Pakistan में available है and we were able to get our hands on it. So thanks to him.
Technically the side start of our brand, ZG Beauty. So we really wanted to develop a language, a visual for it. And when you're creating a visual for something, it's more time consuming. It's a harder effort. Once you have the language, once you have the brand identity made, then it's something that you can keep following and derive designs out of it. In the beginning, you're just like, it's an open world. You can do anything. You know to figure out what you're doing. That's usually what takes a lot of time. And now we have a direction. Now we have visual language. We know what we're doing, what our brand encompasses. Now, hopefully, it's going to be a smoother sailing operation where we know that we need what things are our brand visuals and we can stick around with them and play around with them and create more packaging. Of course, it has to have an experience so that there is a certain emotion induced when you're holding a product or looking at it. And I feel like we've been getting decent reviews from
Everybody who buy, I know everybody who buys. I take like internationally. I've like my other manufacturers who I showed the product to, like after we launched, and I was meeting them, and everybody, I cannot tell you, I'm not bragging because it's my product, but it was such a like, it was honestly when somebody saw this product, like I was meeting people internationally, like
180
other companies, they were so like, they started taking me seriously. They saw my product and they would not like, they would be instantly like, let's discuss business, because they were so impressed by the, honestly वो बहुत impressed हुए packaging पे और उस पे design पे, and especially when you're from Pakistan, का product देख कर और कह रहे हैं कि wow, this is a good product.
And that's also because you guys did a great job at formulating.
Yeah,
Really enjoy and love the formulation that these guys do. So like hats off to these professionals.
So this product was again a benchmark. उसका ये था कि like now with my meetings, and you know, if I'm meeting manufacturers or vendors or you know people, they take me seriously.
Yeah, you just show them your product.
Yes, it's easier to convince them that we're like serious or.
So पहली मीटिंग से और अब वो हम मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, उनमें बहुत एक ड्रास्टिक 180 डिग्री शिफ्ट है, क्योंकि नाउ दे नो कि जो हमने निकाली है प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी मेट है.
And also there's a lot of things that we've learned, and these packagings and these bottles still have margins.
That we would improve, or you know, लोग मुझे ये कहते हैं हमने सिर्फ 6 lipsticks launch किए हैं, but I know the amount of effort that went into these 6 shades, and you know, getting them here. This was our first time, so you know, import से लेके finances again, we had so many ideas, but again Saad used to tell us कि oh, this is imports, or you know, सारा जो globally जो हो रहा है, there are so many things that you need to.
Get into the next video.
Yeah, let us know if you want to. Yeah, he would not. I don't know. We can ask him for our next product. He should be sitting with us and, you know, maybe guiding about the financial bit, because that's also important when you're launching products. Okay.
Very important.
Yeah, it's the most important thing. Margins of like, you know,
Bringing it here.
ml से लेके क्या product के अंदर क्या
Calculations.
all the calculations, and you know the operations.
Stuff that we can't do.
So we are not aware of, और हम अपने एक डिनूनू में बैठे होते हैं कि ये भी हो जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा. तो you need somebody who tells you कि क्या हो सकता है और क्या नहीं हो सकता और क्या you need to change. So yeah, we're thankful for Saad for doing all the hard work in getting the product, the operations.
It's a lot of brain work.
Yeah, a lot of coordination, a lot of contracts, a lot of, you know, legal work, a lot of these, you know, I think that's another not so glamorous side of the product, you know, legal work, paperwork, you need international dealings with people. So that all he handled, and we are grateful that he's part of our team. And
Show up a secure sauce right here.
there. So sometimes, you know, we meet him where he's traveling right now. When he comes in the next video, inshallah, you will see the expression he gives when the three of us have ideas about their big ideas, and then he has to look into the financial side of it. But I think that's good. Like, you have some people who are, what do you call it, dreamers, and then you have people who have practical, you know, knowledge of the thing, and when you combine,
because
it becomes a great combination.
Yeah, because creative के साथ साथ आपने practically और operations और financial sides देख ली थी. हमने तो सोचा भी नहीं था कि launch के बाद budgets वगैरह आप करते हो, but we had so many ideas. दूसरा, आपने सारी चीजें balance करनी, business side of it, and you know, all the paperwork, and then this side is equally important. You can't just make a product and you said कि उसको लाना ज़्यादा, उसकी work किस तरह करना है, because international business rules different होते हैं. So, you know, managing that also is very important when you're looking into launching products.
And the story is that there was no ZG headquarters. It was when the brand was being launched. We did not actually have an office, since it was the 4 of us, and it was like, you know, 4 of us doing everything. So uske saath saath, even though with Farooq's persistent जो है request and others, eventually we were always like cutting out कि इसके लिए हम ये इसमें बजट डाल देते हैं, अभी इसमें पैसे डाल देते हैं.
और इसमें हमने बजट रखा हुआ ही नहीं था.
हमें रियलाइजिंग हुई कि ये obviously एक important चीज़ है, but we were so involved in the formulation कि ये part हमने sort of ignore किया, not miss किया, ignore किया. सो पहला ऑफिस तो हमारा सैलॉन का एक छोटा सा एक अकाउंट ऑफिस है, उसमें हम 4 लोग उसके सारी डिसीजन मेकिंग कर रहे होते. फिर इवेंचुअली हमें रियलाइज हुआ एंड देन वी ऑल्सो यूटिलाइज्ड फारूक्स होम ऑफिस which was not supposed to be for that. It was his own personal space. We invaded that and रात को बैठ के even like we used to work on the packaging and the design, and he used to be showing us all the prototypes. And I remember I was expecting at that time. And it was, and eventually इतना हम late काम करते थे कि हमारी बिल्लियाँ और our dogs and our mom, everybody was in the same part of the process. Home and you know everybody was like in groves के अच्छा क्या ऐसा चल रहा है. और फिर उसके बाद we finally listening to all his
When he said he would not work with us, he said he was not going to work in these conditions. That's when we finally, before our launch, we looked for a space. He looked for a space, and he made us.
so the headquarters was set.
Yeah, now we have a studio space and like our office where we have our team, and you know,
Initially there were only one chair and table that started.
that's how it always starts. But yeah,
Yeah, not even a couch. I remember watching a lot of like videos about people's stories and having a couch. We did not even have a couch.
according to Farooq, जिन conditions में उसने काम किया है, वो normal नहीं था, so we exploited that. But now we have given him an entire office, and you know, he has a team, so
Studio space and everything.
संबर का पल जो है वो मीठा होता है.